As CEO of RIU Hotels and Resorts, Luis Riu is at the forefront of transforming each hotel. His goal is to create spaces that offer guests a unique experience. Luis and Roberto Rodríguez led the renovation of the Riu Palace La Mola. This is the first project that the brothers have directed entirely independently, after years of working alongside their father. Luis Riu passed on his passion for architecture and design to his sons, which has been an essential part of the company's success. They have achieved a result that respects the essence of Formentera while offering the comfort and elegance for which RIU hotels are renowned. This marks a new chapter for the company, with two generations united by a shared passion for creating unforgettable experiences. RIU Hotels and Resorts, as you like it.